Hello YouTube land. We are in the neighborhood in the neighboring Purok looking for sweet potato. Papa told me he's going out to buy some sweet potato that's purple skin and golden pulp. That's what I planted there in our farm, but with the quality of our soil at the moment being like rainful years, I don't get crops from that. So the neighbors like here, when the National Irrigation Department authority is like digging to make these drains here, these guys this is the project of the National Irrigation Authority for last 3 years, still not finished near our area. But yeah, the soil was kind of loose from the dump or from the digged soil from this part, and like dump in the side, so people planted whatever they can plant, like this tapioca, spinach, sweet potato. There's all the rest is potato. Now also the neighbors is all sweet potato, but the question is what type of sweet potato. Like William usually just have this purple pulp and golden purple skin with golden pulp, orange pulp, something like that. And yeah, this is how they grow here. And the one I bought from the mall that I planted is like purple skin with orange pulp or golden pulp, and the leaves are like this spinach, like purple and green combination. But this one, it's all green. Let me see, Papa. Oh, this is the same type that I get from the mall. Mungo beans. I wonder why everybody's having a pail. Everywhere is going that area and everybody has a pail. Hello neighbors. Ano man ni siya? Bugas. So they have there some kind of cooperative for meat. For I'm not sure if it's hello kiddos, hello bikes. Yeah, so I'll tell you more about it later. It's a fiesta here soon. Fiesta of Santo Niño. Like if you are in Cebu or like familiar with the festival in Cebu, it's a big event there in Cebu, the Fiesta of Santo Niño. And there will be like a dancing in the street. I'm back in YouTube land. It's 3 o'clock now, around 3 o'clock, and we're still herding with Anosi farming in the Philippines. So our farm is now clean from the harvest. We had a total of 3,400 plus, a little plus from that. And Papa's target for this harvest is 3,000 by the number of fruiting trees. His target then was 3,000, and because it's a delayed operation, like we already have like more or less 400 in the ground that has fallen from December until before harvest date. So like usually we have like 20 to 21% of labor cost, and now it's 23.2% labor cost from our sales this time, and that is because the rate of the climber and the dehuskers have like gone up a little bit, and we understand that, you know, like this time everything is really expensive with the super low price of coconut in the last 2 quarters until this quarter. Well, it only means that a little only is for us, like, you know, our income as a grower, as a farmer, is just a little something than usual. Yeah, so that's okay. If we have fertilized in 2022, it would have helped to kind of you know, the weight, maintain the weight or increase the weight. At least we would have maintained the weight. Like having this so much rain, it makes the coconuts more heavy, but you know, like even if little harvest is so heavy, if we have fertilizer or any inputs applied in the farm. For some reasons, Papa has so many reasons, and one is it's not the weather for application. I don't know what weather should. When I have an idea, having worked in agriculture industry for more than 9 years, but then Papa has the say of fertilizing these farms. We don't say anything about it. We just keep our mouth shut about it, right, Han?
Yes, baby.
We don't argue with parents.
They say the sky is green, the grass is blue. Yes, okay.
So, but this year I will try my very best to convince him to fertilize, and I'll show him the graph I made. He knows, he trusts me on figures like that. We are 100% complete with our harvest operation. Well, only one is not harvested, and I'm gonna show you why we did not harvest the fruit from this particular tree, guys, close to the bamboo tree, because of that hollow center. And it's kind of risky to harvest these 2 bunches that's ready for harvest, and some leaves. Stay away from that tree, Han. It's just so dangerous to chainsaw, or to chainsaw also going to this side or wherever side, because I think it's fragile now. And also this durian tree we have to cut also, Han. This one beside it. So that will be another future activity for us. Last night it rained again, so this is wet. It's hard to burn. You tired now, baby? Huh? Tired now? Say hi, everybody. Hello, YouTube land. Come on. What happened?